My name is Dr. Michelle Hartman, and I'm the Assistant Dean of the ABSN program. The ABSN program at Duke School of Nursing has unmatched opportunities for learning for individuals who are interested in becoming a professional nurse. Students learn from nurses who are not only experts in their field, but are master teachers. Students complete their clinical experience in exceptional health systems throughout the Raleigh-Durham area. For clinical experiences in non-acute care settings, students work with organizations in the community who are actively addressing social determinants of health to improve the lives of individuals, families, and communities. Students also have the opportunity to participate in clinical immersion trips where they learn about the valuable role of the nurse in a global health setting. These learning experiences help our students to develop clinical judgment and apply evidence-based nursing practice. Our graduates become nurse leaders who have lasting impacts on patients, systems, and the health of our nation and world. More information about our program can be found online. Feel free to contact our admissions department with any questions.